Hi there, and welcome back to the Panasonic Oasis home. In our last video, we talked about Oasis design, air quality, and comfort, but in this video, I want to touch on ease of adoption for builders and homeowners. Custom home builders like me have a lot on our plates as it is, so integrating a new product or system into our homes can often seem overwhelming. Things that seem too complicated or require specialized equipment will probably be pushed aside. I think that builders will adopt new systems like Oasis when they understand that they'll be using off-the-shelf components which are already locally available and that their installers are familiar with. With Oasis, you probably won't have to learn new equipment, it's just a new concept in how these products are installed and work together. And that is not something that you're going to have to figure out on your own. Panasonic's IEQ team will work with the architect and the builder to evaluate everything, putting together a plan that works for each situation. As far as the building envelope goes, new energy code is already mandating that we build tight structures and increase our insulation values. So builders aren't really having to do anything out of the ordinary in that regard. It's really about paying attention to the home's exterior detailing and shooting for the tightest envelope that we can achieve, which is something hopefully we are already doing anyway. Selling energy efficiency and comfort is generally an easy task because who doesn't want lower bills and a more comfortable environment? But I think when you've got a new concept like Oasis that folks haven't seen before, there's a valid concern that it might be harder to sell. The residential building industry is notoriously resistant to change, and I think that's especially true when it comes to HVAC concepts. ERVs, for example, were invented way back in the 1970s and first really marketed started in the 1990s, and yet I still wouldn't consider them a mainstream product. Here in hot, humid Houston, we are just in this decade starting to see widespread use of whole house dehumidifiers, even though our climate has been this way forever. And those are generally items that you can't even see. So when we think about changing to a system like Oasis that can look radically different, it may be scary to the average homeowner. But in this age of green building, mandated air tightness, higher efficiency standards, etc., not to mention facing issues like climate migration and increased grid demands, we can't just keep throwing the same old one-size-fits-all products at our customers. In my consulting business and on the podcast, I talk a lot about the team approach to custom home building. When it comes to HVAC solutions and ventilation strategies, I think it's especially important for the team to create the best system for each individual home. That team in this case consists of the Panasonic product team, your building performance consultant, in like Toner Home Performance in our case, the architect, and the HVAC installer, and of course the builder. All those parties have to work together to design a system that checks all the boxes for their homeowners. And that's efficiency, reliability, air quality, comfort, compatibility with green building practices, and it also has to be aesthetically pleasing. I'm really proud of how my crafted team collaborated with that team that I just mentioned to bring this Oasis concept home to life. Every single team member really went above and beyond to make sure the craftsmanship in this project was top-notch and something that we are proud to showcase to all of our guests for years to come. KPGY Architects laid a fantastic design foundation for us, and then our crafted interiors team took that and created something truly beautiful here. I also have to mention the fantastic team at McCann Services, who is one of the top HVAC installers here in Houston. Jason and his team really did a great job of executing something that had never been done before. We built truly a prototype here, and that's not an easy task. I know we here at Crafted are really excited about integrating these products into our future projects and about continuing our partnership with Panasonic long term. If you've made it to the end of this video or even the whole series, thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see other projects that we've worked on, or maybe you want to build or renovate your own home, be sure to contact us at craftedhome.com, and we hope to see you soon.